Hey beautiful Tovians, welcome to Vlogmas 2020. It's your girl Tovia Ogun. Now this is the part 3 of my 10 aesthetic Christmas intro templates. If you want to use these templates, don't forget to give me credits, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do that right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Without further talk, let's just dive into the video, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. I love you all.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun.
Sky.